In this video, we cover the verb être, which simply means to be in French. In the last video, we looked at these pronouns, and now we're going to put them to use. Let's get to it. Je suis. Je suis. Tu es. Tu es. Il est. Il est. Elle est. Elle est. On est. On est. Now, one thing to note here is that although on est will usually mean we are, like we discussed in the previous video, the word on can also be used to talk about something impersonally. So what that means is that on est can also mean one is or you are. For example, one is happy when one wins. You are happy when you win. Okay, so I'm not talking about you specifically, I'm just speaking in general. So just remember that on est can also mean that. Let's continue. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. And that's all. Just before I end the video, I just want to mention that if you have any questions about the pronunciation, don't worry about that for now. I'm going to do a full video on French pronunciation. Thank you once again for watching.